You are watching ARP Agri-Artist, present by Agriculturist Maksudahak. Welcome to my channel. How to grow and train elephant bush into bonsai. Portulacaria Afra Complete Guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to ARP Agri-Artist. Today, I will share with you the complete guide on elephant bush, also known as Portulacaria Afra or Dwarf Jade Plant. This plant is very popular for bonsai making because it's hardy, easy to care for, and looks absolutely stunning. In this video, I will cover everything from planting and soil preparation to pruning, shaping, and bonsai training. Part 1. Introduction to Elephant Bush. Scientific name, Portulacaria Afra. Common names, Elephant Bush, Dwarf Jade Plant, Mini Jade, Succulent Bonsai Plant, native to South Africa. Elephants eat this plant in the wild, hence the name Elephant Bush. Features, small, round, fleshy leaves. Red-brown stems that can be shaped easily. Stores water in leaves and stems, making it drought tolerant. Why it's great for bonsai: fast growth, easy to prune, compact leaves perfect for miniature design. Part 2. How to plant elephant bush. Propagation can be grown from cuttings. Take a healthy branch, let it dry for a day or two, then plant in well-draining soil. It roots very easily. Pot selection. Start in a small pot, then shift to a bonsai pot once it grows strong. Use shallow pots with drainage holes. Soil mix. Ideal soil should be well-draining but nutrient-rich. Best recipe, 40% garden soil, 30% sand or perlite, 20% compost or coco peat, 10% vermicompost or organic matter. Add small pebbles or gravel at the bottom for drainage. Once your soil mix is ready, make sure to blend all ingredients thoroughly so that nutrients and sand are evenly distributed. Take a bonsai pot or a shallow container with drainage holes at the bottom. Cover the holes with a small piece of net, mesh, or broken pot shard to prevent soil from leaking out. Add a thin layer of small pebbles or gravel at the base for better aeration. Now, fill the pot halfway with your prepared bonsai soil mix. Place the elephant bush cutting or plant in the center, adjusting the roots gently. Slowly add more soil around the roots and press lightly with your fingers to remove air pockets. Keep the plant upright and stable while filling the pot. Leave about 1 inch of space from the rim of the pot so watering doesn't overflow. Finally, give a light watering to settle the soil and help the roots adjust. Watering. Water every 3 to 4 days, only when topsoil dries. Overwatering causes root rot, underwatering causes wrinkled leaves. Part 3. Pruning and shaping into bonsai. Initial pruning. Remove lower branches to expose the main trunk. Keep 2 to 3 side branches at different heights for balance. Leaf node cutting. Always prune just above a leaf node. This encourages new branching and makes the plant bushy. Wiring. Use bonsai wire to bend and train branches. Don't tie too tightly. Check every 2 weeks. Bonsai styles possible. Formal upright, one main trunk with balanced branches. Cascade, branches hanging over the pot. Broom style, umbrella-like shape. Part 4. Ongoing care. Sunlight needs 4 to 6 hours of bright sunlight. Can also grow indoors near a sunny window. Fertilizer. Use organic or succulent fertilizer once every 15-20 days in growing season. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers. Repotting every 2 to 3 years. Trim 20-30% of roots and refresh the soil. Common problems: yellow leaves, overwatering, wrinkled leaves, underwatering. Pests like mealybugs. Neem oil spray works well. Part 5. Tips for super fast growth. Place in a bright, sunny spot. Avoid waterlogging. Always use well-draining soil. Prune regularly to keep it compact and bonsai-shaped. Be patient. Bonsai is an art that develops over time. So that's the complete process of planting and training elephant bush into a bonsai. It's one of the easiest bonsai plants for beginners, yet it can look very impressive with proper shaping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ARP Agri Artist for more gardening and bonsai care tips.